Hi everyone, I welcome you all to Solution to Fix. Today I'm gonna tell you if your UPS is not making your battery fully charged and its light still blink all the time, if you give it 10 to 12 hours but still the batteries are not full and your batteries are good, you install new batteries, how to solve this issue? To solve this issue, what you should do first, I will tell you. Let's start. First of all, turn off this button. Here you go. And now press this button. See, the UPS gets started. And once that's happened, and now turn on the button. See, now the lights start blinking. Okay, that's mean before this the UPS was off and now the UPS on and the batteries were fully charged at the voltage from there is being transferred to the batteries, but the UPS was off. Well, that means that no backup if the light is going to turn off. Now this means you turn off the electricity, UPS goes off, no voltage coming to the wall batteries. Okay, you turn this on, you heard a beep, that means the UPS is now on and it is ready for your backup. Okay, as the voltage is applied to the batteries and batteries are not full. See, this yellow light is not blinking anymore, and if I'm going to turn off that button, this is going to act as a backup source. See, now I'm going to turn off this button. See, the UPS gets started. Here the yellow, this orange light means the electricity being passed, getting passed through the batteries to the our sources. And as soon as I'm going to turn on this button, see, the UPS start charging, and it's gonna within 10 to 5 seconds start the charging because the batteries are full and we hadn't used that much electricity. I will just want to show it to you, or it just get full within few seconds. See, the light stopped, that means the battery are fully charged. If I'm able to explain you my work, do subscribe my channel, the Solution to Fix, and click on thumbs up. I will meet you in another video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.